to get more sales.
Hi! So one of my best tips for all Slimers is to just remain active in the community. I think that's so important, commenting and interacting with other people and making friends.
My best slime tip is to add activators slowly and don't rush when you're doing it because you can overactivate your slime.
Mixing glue all and clear glue makes better thick slimes than just glue all.
Okay, so to get better and grow your account, I recommend having good lighting. A lot of people like lighting, especially if you're like in a dark room. It's not going to bring a lot of people to your account, so good lighting is going to do a lot.
My best tip for any slime would be to have good customer service, because that's how you make your fans happy.
Okay, so my tip would just to be unique and follow trends, but like do your own twist on it, because that will like get you noticed and people are like, oh, they're different, like they're not like every other person, so follow them.
Hey guys, it's Sharon and Lauren. We're the Borax Buddies, and we just wanted to say if you have a dream, go for it. With slime, I guess, just be yourself.
Be patient.
Yep. Work hard. There's going to be bumps in the road, but if you keep working, it'll pay off.
Don't let haters get to you, they will bring you down.
My name's Avery, and my tip for anyone like trying to start up would be consistency is a big thing. A lot of people, they have like this here and there, but nothing seems constant. And whenever your feed looks consistent and clean, people will always want to go there. So that's it.
My best slime tip would probably be, if you're making clear slime, add like a little splash of water and then a little splash of glycerin to make it extra thick.
Hey guys, I'm Jacklyne. It's day 2 of Slime Dash, so I have like, my energy's like just kind of, I'm going to try my hardest here. My biggest tip to all Slimers would be to post a lot of videos, whether it's YouTube videos, slime videos, talk to other creators, be nice to people, don't make enemies, because that's not just not doing you any good. Be nice, post a lot of videos, and just be positive, and don't be like negative, because it's like very generic advice, but also it's like very true advice.
Businesses are directly correlated to how well your Instagram does. So I recommend posting every day, always posting good content, just spat. Always posting good content, because if you post every day, you're gonna get more followers and you're gonna get more sales.
Post consistently and interact with your followers.